Splendid cartoon.
I'm sounding it again. Never trust a man.
And I'm repeating myself. My own husband is different. I can vouch for him.
Do you trust your husband that much?
Yes, I do. The other day, I saw a number on his phone saved as my love. I was mad at him. At the end, it turned out to be his mother's number.
Well, I still maintain my stand. Men can't be trusted.
Girlfriend, let's discuss something else. All men aren't the same. Planted by the river, I'm an eagle, soaring higher and higher.
It's too low for this call. Dial *606# to borrow airtime.
Sweetheart, please, can I use your phone? I need to call a friend.
No problem.
I'm bearing fruits in season out of seasons. I'm a light, I shine brighter and brighter. Everything I do is blessed. Everything I touch is blessed. Everywhere I go.
Jesus! Honey, that was Mr. Wale, the man handling our carpentry work in the office.
Hello, baby. I've been expecting your call. Missing you badly. Are you coming already?
Chai!
Baby, talk now. Wait, is your wife there? Don't worry about my friend. She trusts you so much. The other day we were talking. She said you are the most faithful husband in the world. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Mr. Wale.
Hello, sweetheart. I'm missing you, honey, and I want you to come over.
Okay, give me some minutes. I will be with you.
I'm so sorry for not trusting you.
I am sounding it again. Never trust a man.
And I'm repeating myself. My own husband is different. I can vouch for him.
Do you trust your husband that much?
Yes, I do.
That's my baby. I love you.
Me too. I love your work.
There is God. There is God in everything we are doing.
Thank you for watching Splendid Cartoon. Please share with friends and also subscribe to our channel.